everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to have a look at 5 things that you could make to sell at a craft fair or a market. So the first thing we're going to look at is cushions. These are a great idea for a craft market or a craft fair. They don't cost a real lot to buy the cushion or the insert, so you could just buy the cushion cover and decorate the front in some different patterns and designs. So this is an idea for some cushions. Cactus cushions. Cactus are really popular at the moment, so you could do your own design like these ones. Go with the vinyl, or you could even find some nice material, and if you're a sewer you could make them up yourself. That's idea number 5. Cushions! Idea number 4. A scrap material heart. Okay, so these are really easy to make. All you really need is a foam heart, and you can get these in lots of different shapes, but I particularly like the heart shape. So start with a heart shape. They're really cheap to buy as well. Next thing is some scrap material. You need to cut them into thin strips, about 20 centimeters long. My vintage heart I've done as a pink theme. So basically all you need to do is just grab your scrap bits of material and you just tie it around the heart shape, and you just work your way all the way around, fill in any gaps, and then trim off the little excess pieces at the end. So what you're left with is a cute little heart that you can sell at a craft fair. Okay, ready for idea number 3. Shells in a bottle. These are really inexpensive. You can buy the empty glass jars from reject shops, $2 shops, and you can actually buy the shells as well if you don't have enough time to go and collect that many shells. So you can put the shells into these types of bottles with a cork lid. You can also get these sorts of containers that look really nice for ocean themes. These are really inexpensive ideas you could do for a craft market. So you've got this style of container. You can also go to op shops and find some old vintage bottles, and you can perhaps fill those with shells. This is also a great idea for ocean themes. These are little dried grasses that you can find sometimes near the sand dunes on beaches. I've collected a few of these over the years, and they look really nice put into a glass jar or vase. So that's number 3, ocean themed decor. Okay, ready for item number 2. Cactus. And no, these aren't real, fakes, but they do look real. You can find all sorts of little tubs and jars and things like that. This one I've made in a wooden planter box with some different cactus. If you're looking for some cactuses, you can find them on eBay for quite a good price. Keep watching, we're at number 1. Number 1 is frames. Yes, designer picture frames. These are really quite cheap to make yourself. This frame I found in a $2 shop. So in my hot foil tutorial, I show you how to make a hot foil print. So just find some positive quotes that you like and print them out onto a laser printer, and then follow the tutorial to hot foil. This one here is what I put in the frame. So you can make a lot of various designs for these, and I think they would sell really well at a craft fair. I hope you liked our 5 top craft fair ideas to make some quick cash. Let me know if there's any other ideas that you guys would like to have a look at or see on our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.